Porch pirates, burglars, and car thieves smile for the camera. Several hundred Ring doorbells are now up and running in Northeast Baltimore. WMER2 News' Jack Watson heard from neighbors who have a newfound peace of mind.
It'd be more security for the community. See what everybody know what's going on in the community.
On a warm fall Tuesday, it came right to Leonard Witchard's doorstep, the new addition on his Cecil Avenue home. Leonard is the last in the neighborhood to get one.
Like when I go out, I can have the app on my phone. I can see what's going on.
State and neighborhood leaders ring in the new cameras, benefiting more than 250 neighbors here in Coldstream Homestead Montebello. State funding is making these cameras possible, a Health and Safety Works program.
If anything else, it's going to definitely help with the crime in this community.
Melvin Scott personally installed these cameras. He says 70% of them are now beside the front doors of seniors. The installation of the several hundred cameras here in Coldstream Homestead Montebello encapsulates roughly a year's worth of work.
I know that we've already caught some people on camera that were doing things that were not supposed to be done at homes. So that was, it's already seen fruit.
Neighborhood leaders pushed for the cameras. They view it as one more form of security to protect against illegal activity.
And this is one of the initiatives to think about what does public safety look like.
I asked whether anything in particular sparked this. Senator Cory McCray told me it's a proactive effort.
I think that when we think about public safety, especially in urban jurisdictions, we've seen it go in the right direction. But even with this technology right here, as Mark stated, this is a deterrent. So this is a deterrent for folks to do things that they're not supposed to do.
To neighbors here, that's the sound of peace of mind. In Baltimore, Jack Watson, WMAR2 News.